Hello, in this particular video I am making a tutorial of how to draw a digital landscape. This is my first landscape tutorial. Now enjoy this video. At first select a page in your drawing surface, then draw some arch using different shades of blue. Then try to blend this, and now take that same blue color which you have used and draw some random horizontal line, and make sure you are leaving some empty space in middle. That will show that will be our river. Okay, now blend all those things. Now we are adding some clouds. Take your favorite tool or favorite brush which is appropriate for making these clouds. We are selecting a little bit bright pink color and white color for highlight those clouds, and blend them with a blending tool. Now select another layer, then draw some random shapes that will kind of look like a mountain. Then select this fill tool and fill these mountains with dark colors like dark violet or even close to some black color. Then select any other brush or any pencil tool, draw some random line in one direction. Make sure light lines are in one direction, little bit dark lights are in a different direction. That will be our highlight, and darker line will be our shadows. I think you can understand what is going on. Select a light gray color for highlight. Select a blue color, light blue color for shadows. Gently blend them together. Now you have your beautiful mountains. If you are not satisfied with these mountains, then select a white color. Try to add a little bit more highlight, and now select a blending tool and blend these bottoms of the mountain. That is a very easy process. I think you can do this. Now select a very dark green color which is almost like a blue, and select another layer. Try to draw some bushes. Select your favorite brush or shape for drawing bushes. Drawing just random shapes and you will get your bushes. Select a blending tool and blend the bottom side of these bushes. Select a little bit darker color for your bushes. That will show some depth in your bushes. Now select another layer and draw some little trees over here, very little, with any little pencil tool or pen tool. Now select all of those trees and copy all of those trees. Now you will get your forest right here. That is very easy, and this is the unique thing you can do in digital drawing. Copy and paste, copy and paste. That is very easy. I think you can understand, and you cannot do it in traditional drawing. Now select a blending tool and draw some shadows or draw some reflection in water. Now select a white color and very thin line, draw a water line indication. Now select a different shape and try to draw a tree. Draw some highlights in the tree. Make sure to select another layer. After you are done with your tree and its highlights, then select your tree and copy it and then paste it in a different place and different orientation. That will look little bit cool. I think that is really cool thing in digital drawing. So you can see right here, I am still copy paste. I am doing still lots of copy paste thing and doing some erasing or correction. Now try to draw bushes in foreground. I am just drawing a general shape and just copy this shape and pasting it in several times in a different layer. Copy and paste, copy and paste. Don't do cut paste. That will not work right here, just because we need our previous drawing also. So just do copy paste, not cut paste. That will be Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Actually I am using an Android phone and this particular app is available for Android and iOS both version, so you can easily draw in your Android phone. So, okay, we are now done with our foreground. So now we are trying to adding some highlights on these trees. We are kind of done with our landscape. One thing I have forgot to draw here, that is the reflection of mountain, that is missing right here. So I'm kind of drawing grass right now. So just select that mountain and copy this mountain, mirror this mountain and then paste it. That is a very easy process. I think you can see it right in your screen. That is very easy process and that is very much it. I think you can become a master of digital art. That is very easy. Now I am adding that trees right here. Otherwise that is kind of look like very empty. So I have added some trees. Now I have added this reflection of mountain. Now you are done with your landscape. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.